Hello everyone, today we are going to download Visual Studio for .NET. At first open your browser, then type download.visual studio and enter, press enter, and here uh, Visual Studio link, click on this link, and here scroll down and download the free version of community. Click here and download will be started. It will be started. It is 4.2 MB size. After download completed, then open your downloaded file, and here is the file. Double click on it. It will be started. Install started. Then click on continue. Download will be installer. Visual Studio will be installed sometime. After install complete, then here is install complete. Then uh, tick the install here. Click on install. And it takes sometimes. It takes sometimes 82.86 GB size, so it will be downloaded completely, almost complete, 100%. Here is the download complete. Download complete and install successfully. Here is the install, 99%. Install complete. Then it will be started automated. Microsoft Visual Studio. Here is the login system. Skip this folder. Then choose your themes. Do you like? I will say look. Choose blue. Extend. Extra. Start Visual Studio. It will be started. Click on create a new project. Then here template. Search here form. We are creating a form. Just like search and window form app.net framework. Select and click on next. Then here the project name. Type project name. Then create this. Then it will be created soon. Here is the creating project. Here is the created a project, and then we click on view, and then toolbox click on. Then it will be pin. We can pin. Then all window forms. Click here is the button, and then other many tools we need. Labels, just like label here. Then text box. Select one text box here. Then we can change the name text of level 1. Double click on it. Here is the code of C#. Click on right click on this label, then click on property. Here is the text. You can change your customize your text area. Just like I would like to call name this name, change their name. Then it is the input box. This is the button. I will change this just like button, just like button, enter, then it will be changed now, and then start your project. Here is the output of your project. Here is your output of your project. Here you can click, type your name or anything, then click on button. This is properly work our VS Code or project. Here is the processing. Thank you for watching.